there, welcome back to the studio. So to those of you who have been watching all of my videos, I really just started this YouTube channel when COVID hit. So you have seen my hair grow out in crazy stages. I still haven't gone to get it cut yet, so just bear with me. Today I'm celebrating that I got a new item in the mail. Mixed Media Girl has these divided cups for sale on her Etsy shop, so please go on there and check those out. I'm going to try this today. It's an 8-ounce cup. I'm going to pour it out on a 12 by 12 canvas, and I think I'm going for pinks, reds, and maybe a pewter kind of color. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so I have prepared my canvas. I'm making sure it's level both ways. I always put masking tape on the back to catch any drips, and I leave it on until I decide if I'm going to put resin or another kind of protective coating on my painting. And then I usually use the medium-sized push pins, so not the small ones that you usually have in your office supply store. They're medium size. They have giant ones, but I find the giant ones are hard to get in, and they sometimes come out because they make such a big hole. So I have prepared my canvas. Now for this painting, I'm using an 8-ounce cup divided in half, made by Mixed Media Girl. I'm going to try that out. Looks like she made that on a 3D printer, and I think that's awesome. Of course, my husband, who has a 3D printer, said, "Oh yeah, I love that. Maybe I should try that." So we're going to try this with some pink, some pewter, or actually it's almost like a gunmetal gray, bronze, which is Deco Art, by the way, and I got a free one of those, so I want to mention their name. This is Garnet and Sax Metallics. I love them. This one is called Red, but it's kind of an in-between red and pink, so I'm going to try that. So we're just going to stack this. I'm going to do a straight pour. Usually when I do a straight pour, I put the light color or white in the bottom. I'm going to start with my dark color today, so we'll see how that works out. All right, so ready to stack my cup. Now the one thing that I would like to have in this cup is to have it be see-through, but that's very difficult, I know, to do on a 3D printer material stock. So I'm hoping that this pink doesn't mix too much with that. But it's a beautiful pink. And I have to tell you the story how I got this beautiful pink was I started with extra leftover drips on my table that were in white, or pearl, I mean, and reds. So not too much of the bronze. This bronze tends to take over a little bit. So I just want a little layer kind of in the middle, which is actually going to, when it's in the middle of your cup, it actually stretches out to be an edge. Some of the last things you put in All right, let me go for some gloves and we'll just pour this baby out. And I'm just going to start over here and move forward. Here we go. And I'll bet you can't see that very well. All right, I'm not sure I like how that middle came out. See if I can get some bubbles out first. No silicone in anything, I'm just trying to get bubbles out. Move everything aside. We're going to go ahead and move this way. So I'm going to lose a good bit of this, and I want to lose that. So I'm going to go ahead and take this to this corner and then just dump off a lot of that red. view. The pewter is kind of, yeah, it's hard to see it, but it's very metallic. And then we have some almost orangish shades of red. Some lipstick shades of red in here. And I think it turned out great. I hope you enjoyed that. And I think I'm going to save those drips and do some more jewelry. All right. Hope you get a chance to try this at home or in your own studio.